So this here is the Draco research. We took a lot of the technology in terms of the powertrain from Draco and actually stuck it on a research platform. So this runs stuff like GPUs, NVIDIA in this case. It's got 3D cameras, GPSs, basically the full set of any sensor that you really want, all modular for any type of research platform that you might want to create. What really sets this one apart from a lot of other research platforms is its size and its speed. So because we're using a 5-inch prop, this thing's pretty darn quick. So if you need applications for speed and agility, this is the one to use it for.
So it has bottom, camera, and sonar.
Right. But everything slots in and out. I'm not sure if this one. Basically, these are all clip systems.
Okay, yeah, you can see. Okay.
Yeah, so there's range sensors, sonar sensors.
And all the colors. Okay,
LEDs.
great.
Yeah. So these arms are the identical ones from Draco itself.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have a 7-inch version of this arm as well. So you can
great.
upgrade this to 7-inch. As you see it right there, that one's got 7-inch arms on it.
Oh, you don't have the 7042 from GemFan.
We do have the 7042.
Oh, I'm gonna get them really soon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
I'm really excited to fly that guy.